Lebanon VA Medical Center's Innovation Network will continue providing interactive wayfinding services to veterans and caregivers of its facilities in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. The wayfinding kiosks located in buildings 1, 17, and 18 are a part of VA's efforts to make the veteran experience more informed, convenient, and enjoyable by providing user-friendly directions across the 843,000 square foot campus. The 188-bed facility located between Harrisburg and Reading is outfitted to provide primary, specialty, and acute care services to approximately 44,000 veterans per year. The technology expansion provides interactive walking routes and step-by-step directions across the Lebanon campus using a smartphone or tablet, including the ability to print itineraries with full-color maps. Veterans and caregivers can access navigation enhanced with rideshare options within appointment reminders sent by VetText or by typing lebanonva.yourdirectroute.com into any web or mobile browser.